Managing return. Missed calls on your iPhone 16's lock screen allows you to quickly respond to missed calls without having to unlock your device first. Here's how to control this feature on the new iOS smartphone. To get started, go to the home screen and then tap on the settings icon. In the settings menu, scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. When prompted, enter your passcode to proceed. Once you're in the Face ID and Passcode settings menu, scroll to the bottom section and find Return Missed Calls. Once found, tap the toggle switch next to it to turn the feature on or off. When enabled, you can return any missed call directly from the lock screen. All you have to do is touch and hold on the missed call notification on the lock screen, then tap the text box area. Meanwhile, disabling this feature means you'll need to unlock your device first before returning any missed calls. This setting can be reconfigured at any time by following the same steps to return to the Face ID and Passcode settings menu of your iPhone. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more smartphone tips and tutorial videos like this.